There are some times, I mean, obviously, if you have roofing issues or any sort of home repair issues and you have to call professionals out, you try to do as much as you can to save as much money as possible. It can be expensive if you have every different trade out there, every other week. One of the things that you should definitely do as a homeowner to make sure that your roof is going to be in good health is if you have a gutter system, make sure that those gutters are cleaned out, the downspouts included. If you have oak trees or pine trees, for example, those gutters and downspouts can really get clogged up. And what happens then is that trough fills up with water, and eventually it could bleed back into your roof system. So make sure that debris is off your gutters, or out of your gutters, out of your downspouts, out of your valleys, behind the chimneys. You don't want to dam up any water. The next thing you could do is make sure that your trees are trimmed back. Any limbs off your roof. If you have power vents, make sure that your power vents are actually functioning. And then lastly, make sure that your lint trap in your dryer vent is cleaned off. From the inside, there's usually a little flapper. You can go in there and pull all that lint out and make sure that that's clear, free and clear.